In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 most common problems on the 2017 Ford Escape. Number 1 on the list is the engine coolant intrusion. This is the most severe and frequently reported problem. With the design flaw in the 1.5 liter and the 2.0 liter EcoBoost engines, it allows the coolant to leak into the cylinders through cracks in the engine block. This issue often appears between 40 and 80,000 miles and typically requires a complete engine replacement. It's very costly at a whopping $7,000 to $9,000. Ford has issued technical service bulletins, but no comprehensive recall, leaving many owners to pay out of pocket. And number 2 on the list is transmission problems. There are 2 distinct transmission issues that affect this model. First, a recall shifter cable bushing can degrade, causing the gear selector to become disconnected from the transmission. The vehicle may not actually be in park when the shifter indicates that it is in park. The second thing would be owners report complete transmission failure, which is requiring them to replace the transmission at around $5,000 for the total cost. Rough shifting and delayed engagement are early warning signs. The third thing on our list is premature paint failure. Multiple owners report paint peeling, particularly around the windshield pillars, the roof edges, and the door frames. While this is a cosmetic issue, it can lead to rust if left untreated. Ford typically denies coverage for this problem after the standard warranty expires, even when it occurs within the first few years. The number 4 problem on our list is brake system concerns. Many owners of the 2017 Ford Escape have reported 2 brake-related problems: abnormally loud brakes with even on low mileage vehicles, and an artificial brake pedal feel with aggressive pulling to one side during braking. While it's not as costly as engine failure would be, these issues affect driving confidence and safety. And the number 5 issue is electrical and convenience features. The Escape has several frustrating electrical quirks. The battery is notoriously difficult to access. Replacing it requires removing the windshield cowl or air filter assembly. The power windows on early 2017 models had a recall because they didn't auto reverse properly, which was a pinch hazard. Owners also report hands-free liftgate failures and intermittent warning lights. And in conclusion, before you purchase a 2017 Ford Escape, here's what you should know before buying. Consider the 2.5 liter engine. The base 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine, which is available on S trim, has fewer reports of coolant intrusion problems compared to the 1.5 liter and the 2.0 liter EcoBoost engines. Check for recalls. Verify that recall 22S43, which is for a shifter cable, and 16C12, which is for power windows, were completed on any vehicle you're considering. Buy extended warranties. If purchasing a 2017 Escape with an EcoBoost engine, a comprehensive extended warranty is strongly recommended due to the high cost of engine replacement. Make sure you have a pre-purchase inspection. I always recommend these guys. Have a mechanic check for coolant residue in the cylinder, transmission shifting qualities, and signs of paint peeling or rust. It's your man AA Fix. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you got any value out of this. Make sure you thumbs up these videos. Leave a comment. This is your man AA Fix. See you on the next one.